Hey, it's Ryan here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 great ways that you can generate passive income online here in 2018 without ever having to leave your home.
But if you close your eyes,
Okay, so passive income. For those of you who may not know what passive income is, well, it's essentially just money that comes in month after month after month, whether you work or not. All right, so you could be traveling around Europe, hanging out in Santorini, Greece, or eating pizza down in Italy and still getting paid, right? You could be chillaxing down on a beach down in the Bahamas with your feet up and sipping on pina coladas and still getting paid, right? You could be sleeping in bed, virtually doing anything and still getting paid. The theme of it is you do something once and get paid for it forever. All right, so passive income gives you financial freedom and financial independence. And unfortunately, most of us have been robbed of this very idea today because as we've sort of grown up, we've been taught that the only way to, quote, make it in life or to have success or create large amounts of money is to go to school, get good grades, get a good job, and hopefully retire someday, right? But it's a big lie. Listen, if you want to live the life you want, then you need a cash cow. You need a perpetual money-making machine. You know, if you look at all successful people, they all have or all had at some point in time in their career a cash cow, right? Something that just pumped money into their bank account month after month after month, whether they worked or not. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you 6 great ways that you can virtually create your own printing press here in 2018 without ever having to leave your home so that you can do what you want, when you want, with who you want. Okay, so numero uno is you can write a book, right? So once you write a book and publish a book, then it's out there forever, right? And you can obviously sell your books in stores, you can sell it online, through social media, on your blog, market it through Facebook ads, so on and so forth. And then you can also sell ebooks online, you can sell ebooks through something called Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And that's a fast, easy, and free way for authors and publishers to publish their books worldwide on the Kindle and Kindle reading apps. And then I know that writing a book may seem kind of intimidating and feel like a daunting task, but what you can actually do is hire what's called a ghostwriter. And that's just somebody who will sit down with you and actually write the book for you. So for example, if you look at Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Donald Trump, do you know that none of these guys actually wrote their books? What they do is they sit down with the ghostwriter and the ghostwriter writes the book for them. All right, so writing and publishing books or selling ebooks online can be a great way to generate passive income. Number 2 is creating digital courses and selling them online. And again, like writing a book, this is great as well because you only have to create the course one time and then you can sell it over and over and over and over again. So for example, let's say that you were to create a video training course on a special something that obviously you're passionate and most knowledgeable, right? Well, you would only have to shoot the video or videos one time, right? And then you can market them online repeatedly for years and years to come. Unlike physical products where you have to create the products over and over again and deal with all the manufacturing costs, distribution, shipping and handling, customer fulfillment, so on and so forth. So digital products are great and they're also in high demand right now. I mean, people want to be able to consume information today instantly from anywhere in the world on any device, right? I mean, we're living in the digital revolution right now and people want that instant gratification, which is what a digital course serves as. So creating digital courses and selling them online can be a great option. And then number 3 is selling products on Amazon FBA. So becoming an Amazon affiliate, right? You sell it, they ship it. All right, so with Fulfillment by Amazon, which is what FBA stands for, you basically store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers and they pick, pack, and ship all of your products for you. And they also handle all of the customer service for your products as well. So you literally don't ever have to touch anything and you don't have to get on the phone with anybody. So that's great, that's the upside. The downside, in my opinion, is that most all products sold through Amazon are low ticket physical products, which means that you have to make a ton of sales before you generate any real income, right? And then the other thing is that you only make about 6 to 12% commissions on the products. So for example, if you were selling a gadget for, let's say $100, well, you'd only make $6 to $12 on that gadget, which really isn't that great. But it is non-exclusive and it's pretty easy to get started, so that could be another option for you. Number 4 is selling stock photography. So if you're a photographer, you can sell your professional photos to stock photography websites like Pexels and Shutterstock. And then number 5 is you could start a blog. Now, if you just simply write to your blog and create content, you're not gonna make any money. You need something on the back end to monetize that blog, right? So what do? Well, you could do things like affiliate marketing, and you could post your links on your blog posts, and then you could also run ads, do other sponsored posts as well. But you gotta do something to generate traffic to that blog so that you can get eyeballs on your products and your services, so you can generate some leads. And to do that, you just use social media platforms, things like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, so on and so forth. And then the 6th way that you can create passive income online, and this is personally how myself and my brother Peyton were able to generate $2,600 in a single day, is through high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, this is similar to traditional affiliate marketing with the exception that you're not making small commissions. All right, so with high ticket affiliate marketing, there's an ascension path in play where the commission payouts generally range from $500 on the low end to $15,000 on the high end. All right, so this is a phenomenal business model if you're somebody who's looking to take affiliate marketing to the next level and really just looking to capitalize on your efforts. When myself and my brother Peyton first stepped into the online space, we were looking at getting into traditional affiliate marketing, where we would be promoting lotions, potions, pills, and juices, and just whatever else. But what we noticed was that the majority of people really weren't making a lot of money. Sure, there were a few people who were making heaps and heaps of money, those who got in at the ground floor, but the majority just really weren't making that much money. And that's when we discovered this high ticket formula, and we see people from all over the world, from all different backgrounds, stepping online for the first time and just making crazy amounts of money, making these insanely big commissions while traveling the world and doing less work and less promotion. So, at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is great, but with high ticket, you're gonna make bigger commissions with less the amount of work. Now, if you wanna get a more in-depth look into high ticket affiliate marketing and learn how you can grow and scale a business online here in 2018, then I'm gonna give you access to a free video below where I'm gonna share with you some money-making secrets that they don't want us to know about, and also some insider secrets that until recently have only been shared exclusively amongst a privileged elite class of people. All right, so I've also got a very, very special bonus that I'm super excited to share with you that I think you're absolutely gonna love and get a ton of value from. It's valued at $2,000, all right? So that'll all be below in that video as well. But this free bonus is probably only gonna be around for a short period of time because we're just running a little experiment right now. And once a certain number of people have claimed that bonus, then we're gonna have to take it down. So definitely take advantage of that while you can. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And I hope to see you go out there and start crushing it online so that you can start generating some passive income and just reclaim your God-given freedom, right? So that you can do what you want, when you want, with who you want. Like Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, then you'll end up working until the day you die. All right, so that's all I got for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button below. And if this is your first time on the channel, then feel free to subscribe so that you get more videos like this one from myself and my brother Peyton in the future. This is Ryan with Freedomuvment. I'll see you in the next one.